Can't tell if you're Team A16 or Team A26. Here's the fast and friendly showdown. Both the Galaxy A16 and A26 rock a big bright 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen. But the A26 steps it up with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Think buttery scrolling, especially for gamers and binge watchers. Processors? The A16 is solid, but the A26 packs more punch for power users, thanks to the Exynos 1380 chip. Camera fans, listen up. Both have sharp 50MP main cameras, but only the A26 adds optical image stabilization and 4K video. Translation? Sharper pics and steadier vids, even if your hands are shaky. The A26 also wins in durability. IP67 water resistance and Gorilla Glass Victus, plus mean it can handle life's little accidents. The A16's IP54 is splashproof, but not much more. Need a headphone jack? Only the A16's got you covered. So, A16 for budget and classic features. A26 for next-gen smoothness, camera upgrades, and rugged style. Which one matches your vibe?